How to fix Battlefield 6 crashing on Steam. First go to the library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then in the general tab under launch options you will need to type the following command, which is -d3d11, like this, and then go to the installed files directory and hit this button to verify integrity of game files, and wait for this as it might take a while to finish checking your files. And once this is done, you can close out of Steam and then open up your GPU application. So for example, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app and open it up, and then go to the drivers section from here and make sure to download the latest game ready driver and install it. And if you have it already installed, try to reinstall it by hitting this button right here. Next, you will need to open up your browser, and if you don't have the redistributables installed, you should search for redist. Click on the first link from Microsoft and then scroll down to the table below, which is this one, and make sure to download the 86 version and the 64, both of them. You'll need to download and install each one individually. And once you install both of these, you will need to basically restart your system. So just click on the power button and restart. And before launching Battlefield 6, you'll need to run Steam as admin once your computer restarts. And then simply just launch Battlefield 6, and that should solve the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.